Most people don't know Claude AI can read huge documents, understand context better, and write more natural answers than ChatGPT. This is Claude AI, an AI assistant made by Anthropic. People use Claude AI for writing, summarizing long PDFs, coding help, research, and everyday questions. If you're a beginner and ChatGPT feels too technical or robotic, Claude is usually easier and more natural to use. Step 1. How to access Claude AI. Go to claude.ai. Sign in using Google or your email. No setup, no complex dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean chat screen. That's where everything happens. Step 2. Basic writing example. Type something simple, like explain YouTube monetization for beginners. Claude responds in clear, structured language. Short paragraphs, easy words. It feels more like a human explanation, not a textbook. That's why many beginners prefer Claude for writing and learning. Step 3. Document and file feature. Now click upload. Add a PDF, Word file, or text document. Claude can summarize long files, explain complex topics, or rewrite content in simple language. This is one of Claude's strongest features. It handles long documents better than most AI tools. If you're a student, writer, or researcher, this alone saves a lot of time. Step 4. Everyday use cases. You can also use Claude for blog writing, YouTube scripts, email replies, coding explanations, study notes. Just talk to it like a normal person. No special prompts needed. So that's what Claude AI is and how beginners use it step by step. If you use AI for work, study, or content creation, subscribe now. I test AI tools daily and explain them without confusion. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.